Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows installation error on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. I'm going to share to you different ways. So you just need to try as to what method or solution will best work for you. So first is click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on Windows Update. We need to update our Windows by clicking this button, check for updates, because most of the time when you update your Windows, that installation error will be fixed, or you can install an application easily. So you need to make sure that your Windows is updated. And then for the next method is we can also uninstall the third-party antivirus software in case that this can block or interrupt the installation process. So if you have the third-party antivirus software like any of the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar, and here you can find that I'm using the Malwarebytes. In your case, this could be any of the third-party antivirus software. Make a right-click, select quit, or we can easily uninstall that. So click on the start button, go to settings, because once you uninstall the third-party antivirus software, that could not be a threatened to your Windows because you have the default antivirus on your Windows, which is the Windows Security. So click on this apps on the left pane, click on installed apps. And here, simply search for your third-party antivirus software. So I'm using Malwarebytes. Click on these three dots and then select uninstall and then uninstall once again. And for the next method is we can also uninstall softwares or programs which we are not using or applications. Especially if we have installed this for the past week, past days, past month, and we are not using as of today. So we can just also uninstall that. Click on apps. Click on installed apps. Then here you need to browse for all the applications on your Windows and try to see as to what applications do you have that you are not using. So just simply click on this three dots and then select uninstall. So you have to do that for all the applications that you find unnecessary or unimportant to you. And in that case, you can also free up some space for your Windows. And for the next method is we can free up some space in case that the issue is not you cannot install the application because you don't have enough space on your Windows. So click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find system. Scroll down and you'll find storage. So these are all the categories or the contents of your Windows C drive. Here you will know what are the categories that is consuming a lot of space on your Windows. And you'll find here storage sense, automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. Make sure this is toggled on and click on this cleanup recommendations. Click on see advanced options and simply check these items right here that you need to delete because these are temporary files on your machine. So here's a tip: if there are items on your downloads that that is important to you, do not check this box for downloads. There's also a warning sign right here. So once done, click on remove files, click on continue. And after that, you just need to simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows and just try to install your application afterwards. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.